Hey guys. Okay, so yeah, totally rocking the, towel head today. But,
Gee, come over here. I'm gonna do my video. Hey guys. We're gonna make a video.
who's seen yesterday's video?
Oh,
Aubrey
yeah.
is a camera hog.
Yes.
We all know. So,
Hey guys, welcome back to the video.
she wants her own YouTube channel. I'm just trying to get mine steady and then we can focus on Aubrey's. But,
All of your stuff.
Aubrey, please, for 5 seconds.
Okay.
Today is day 11 of 20 days of declutter and organizing.
Because
And today, if Aubrey would, we are organizing Aubrey's toys. Jake is gonna kind of skim through his because his isn't bad. Aubrey's just isn't organized at all, and we're gonna try and declutter a bit. I decluttered a lot. She just does not know. Whenever we moved from Louisiana, and whenever we moved into this house, I decluttered quite a bit. If you did not see, I don't have a moving from Louisiana video, but I do have, sorry, Aubrey keeps stomping through her room and it's shaking the tripod. But if you have not seen our moving video, I'll link it up here, and I'll also link, I think it's actually up here, I don't know. I will link whenever I decluttered and organized and unpacked her room if you guys are interested. It'll be up here, and I'll link it below if I remember. Mom brain. But I will eventually get to finishing her bedroom. I promise, everybody. It is super cute, but I need to hurry up and get it finished. I will finish it when they get back in school, because that way I'm alone. I don't have colorful commentary from people. There it is. There's that colorful commentary. Alright, so if you can deal with the towel, I needed to wash my hair for the week. I said week. Yes, I can go a whole week without washing my hair. What is that? Fuzz or something. But it's fuzz. But I can go a total week without washing my hair, and I have a video on how I got my hair from super short, it was like yank, to past my brow strap. It's freaking long. I do have a video on it. I'll link it below or here. So let's get into cleaning Aubrey's, going through Aubrey's toys.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I killed it. I killed it. I killed it.
I killed it, it's murder.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
Go crazy, berserker.
Give me the reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight.
The timer went off.
But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away. But I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that
Okay, so this is what the kids have been working on. They've been right here with me, you know, going through stuff. Excuse the banging around. But as long as I'm in here with them working on it, they are cool with helping me organize. I think they actually kind of like it a little bit. It's kind of weird, but.
I can't tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a
pushing my limits and all the drive that I have. Well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread. Well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you. Fast lane, I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen to each other, admit our mistakes, then I can show you who I am, because I'm not the same. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you off the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with
you. Okay guys, sorry about the lighting. But we got done with Aubrey's bedroom. I'm trying to think here. Okay. I am just so flustered. My freaking hey, shh, hang on. My landlord is being ridiculous about my oven being messed up, and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm starting to get irritated. I told him, I was like, I just want my oven to work. And he was like, yeah, but it's going to cost a lot of money to replace your oven. I'm like, okay, it's going to replace a lot if my house burns down and all my is up in flames. So, yeah. Anyway, just, okay. Sorry about this hair. This is like all natural. I'm about ready to go fix it. But I wanted you guys to see that we did finish Aubrey's room. Because I kind of had to get off here all of a sudden. But they have been playing. So, okay, I'm going to flip the camera and I'll show you an overview. Alright, so while we were off, I think we finished this. Some of this I just have to, it's part of me needing to decorate. Here's them playing. She straightened up her trunk. Here's some extra storage she can use. This is my most thing that I wanted to go through. And it looks way better. Playing. And then this shelf wasn't too really bad. I just sort of straightened it up.
Oh, I found your other hot dog.
Oh, we found a hot dog. And then under her bed is super clean now. And all of her little pet shops are over here. And then I can't remember what's in that one. I don't remember. What's in your pink basket?
Pink basket?
Under your bed.
My,
Oh, her little
Enchantimals.
Enchantimals. But we're playing shop things right now. I'm going to go let the dogs out and go finish my hair. I might because a friend of mine commented on my Insta story on what I should do after the 20 days. Oh, hello darkness, my old friend. But she said she wanted to see how I curl my hair. So I might vlog that because I'm vlogging today as well. So I might just put that in there, how I curl my hair. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, for day 11. Day 11, and we cleaned Aubrey's toys up. I know it was a longer video, and I apologize. Some of these are getting longer because the kids are in them, and I hate to delete some of the stuff because it's just so darn cute. And some of it is, you know, it has to be done. And yeah, I go over the 30, but I make sure it's done. And I make sure I made sure I scheduled things on the days that I knew I could get them done. Granted, my life is a crazy mess. I'm trying to currently put names on their back to school stuff, and I have not yet. And I've got like 30 things. I need to finish doing the final touches on tomorrow's video because I don't want to be up late. I need to go fix my hair. I need to go let the dogs out. I need to clean my bathroom. I need to put the names on the kids' stuff. And I need to FaceTime with stuff because I'm going a little crazy with my landlord. So, yes. All right. Well, I will see you in tomorrow's video. What are we doing tomorrow? Oh, it has to do with the kids' stuff as well. So make sure you come back tomorrow, and if you haven't subscribed already, do that. We'd love for you to join our tribe, and let me know what you want to see after the 20 days. I'm taking opinions and everything. So yes, but if you like this video and this gave you motivation to go through your kids' stuff and declutter and organize it, give me a thumbs up. If you just liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.